foster on past, present, and future conservation of one rhinoceros, also known as Rhinoceros unicornis in Nepal. It is based on a review paper. So once rhino was widely distributed in the plain of South Asia, but now it is confined to very isolated small population only in India and Nepal. This one rhino, and in Nepal it is only located. It was only isolated in Chitwan Valley, but during 1950s, because of the change political situation in Nepal, a lot of forests were encroached in that area, and many rhinos were posed for their lubricative horns. So the population decreased from 800 to 100 till 1966, and then the first national park in Nepal was declared as Chitwan National Park in that valley in 1973. So after declaring this national park, the population started going up again because of the good conservation in that area. So later, government of Nepal decided to translocate some rhinoceros, and they did it to two different protected areas west into the Nepal. Almost 87 rhinoceros were translocated during 1986 to 2003, and the population was also doing good. This was done because to avoid the possibility of local extinction in one habitat. But as the Nepal from 1996 to 2006, there was one armed conflict in Nepal. During that conflict, the situation was not so good. The security was weak. So again, the poaching started, and it caused to decline the population of rhinoceros from 612 to 409. After this armed conflict finished and the peace process started, during this period, the government of Nepal launched one landscape program, Tri-Arc landscape program, linking 11 protected areas between Nepal and India. In this program, government tried to do some anti-poaching activity, very smart anti-poaching activity to control this poaching, and also they started to restore corridors for movement of these rhinoceros between Nepal and India, and between two protected areas within Nepal. So with the use of local communities, some projects like community first programs, and using community people, engaging community people for conservation, now the population is again going up. Nepal has decreased the poaching to 0 for last 3 years, and now there are three meta population in this landscape: Chitwan, Bardia, and Sukla Phata complex. So in future, this anti-poaching activities should be more strengthened, and the threats emerged by the increased number of rhinoceros should be addressed. Local community people should get some incentive for conserving biodiversity, including rhinos, and some more resources should be done, like radio coloring of rhinoceros to track the mobility along protected areas and corridors. And also, occasional translocation of males should be done to avoid inbreeding depressions. Thank you.
You want to have a closer look, or?